Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Instagram something went wrong, try again later when posting. Error solution 2026. Fix 1. Force quit and reopen. On your Android or iOS, you just have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Hold your finger in the middle for 1 second. Swipe the Instagram app till off the screen completely. Then you just have to reopen the Instagram app again. Fix 2. Clear your app cache. On your Android, open the phone setting. Then navigate to Apps. Select Instagram from the list and tap on the stories. Choose the option called Clear Cache. On your iPhone, you have to open the setting on your iPhone. Then navigate to General. Then select iPhone storage. Find and tap on Instagram. Then choose Offload apps and then tap on Reinstall app. Fix 3. Switch your internet connection. Disconnect from Wi Fi and switch to mobile data or vice versa for a stronger connection. Reset the connection by enabling aeroplane mode for 10 seconds. Turn off the aeroplane mode to force the device to reconnection to the nearest cell tower. Fix 4. Log out and log back in. Open your Instagram and navigate to profile. Then tap on the menu icon 3 lines in the top right corner. Scroll to the very bottom of the menu and tap on logout. Force quit the app completely and you just have to reopen the app and log back in. Fix 5. Check your account status. Open the Instagram again and navigate to your profile. Then tap on the menu 3 lines in the top right corner. Select Setting and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down and tap on Account Status. Check for any active strikes or restriction on your account. Fix 6. Update or reinstall the app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If any update button is visible, just you have to tap on it. If app is already updated, uninstall the Instagram app completely and restart your phone. Once that is done, you just have to download the Instagram again from the App Store. Thanks for watching.